Peter, thanks for your time today. I wonder if we could just start by you kind of explaining to everyone about Micros and how they fit into the African market.
Our key focus is all the major hotel groups where we have systems from front desk check-in through central reservations, back office systems. Our second aspect is the point of sale equipment, which is Micros, where we pride ourselves in having possibly 70 to 80% of all the major fast food, fine dining restaurants in South Africa. And the new focus of our business is to move into areas of retail, where we see an emerging market and also markets that are converging. We are seeing retailers moving into coffee shops and so on within their own portfolios.
I think 2 years ago we met and went through a kind of concept around where you wanted to move the business to in regard to sort of technicians, call centres, marketing, that kind of stuff. And I think we're sort of a couple of years into that project. And how's it gone for you?
The purpose of expanding the ACPAC product suite within our company was to actually start having more understanding and definition of what our customers are, which then in itself leads on to what we have to do to ensure that we do increase and improve our customer satisfaction ratings.
And then I think from what I saw in the building over here, you've built a new call centre now. And I think the front end to that is the ACPAC CRM sort of application that's talking to the back office, talking to the technicians, modules and whatever. How's that? I think it's about sort of 3-4 months old now, the call centre.
The call centre is a 24/7 operation. It's manned by some 30-40 people, right. 24 hours, 7 days a week. The basis of that was the CRM system, so that allows us to understand the nature of the customers, what the issues are. It allows us to track issues of calls, whether they need additional training, whatever the case may be. And it was really the focus of really our customer service program.
Fantastic.
I think where we've seen the major benefit to us, and it really was a secondary benefit, is if we just take a picture of South Africa in the last year, it's allowed us to control costs, which are never really factored into the original program. With the cost of petrol, transportation and so on, it's allowed us to be far more effective. Where we see the next step going is going to be one of our own internal controls.
Right.
Effectiveness in billing processes, where as the job is done out in the field, we can actually transmit that information automatically back, which seamlessly integrates into our financial systems. Okay, so that allows our financial team to be more effective. It also then gives us the base data that we require to actually then go back and build the corporate programs with our customers. I think the real crux of the matter is that with ACPAC and the systems that we've put in, it allows Micros to really have a seamless growth going to 210 and beyond. We find out that the ACPAC CRM is really the core module and really the basis of the call center. It is the key to allowing us the functionality that we require to run the effective call center.